Let's deep clean this fridge. This fridge is already empty because it is for a move out clean. Step number 1, open it, look around, cry, close the door, and go home. Just kidding. Let's clean this fridge for real. Have you ever looked under there before? You can scrape all this out with a little plastic scraper. You're going to need one of these, a sink, some dish soap, some rags, some towels to dry the shelves with. You want to take all the shelves out, wipe down the inside of the fridge, wash all the shelves in the sink with some hot soapy water, dry all the shelves, and put them all back in. And you can still cry if you want to though. Okay, bye!